Top of the morning to y'all right quick. I'm going to set the board up for the 14th and the 15th for all states. If you didn't get a chance to catch this sheet, or if your state ain't hit this sheet already, this is the sheet that I had for the past 4 days that I said that would travel. That was starting from the 10th, ending on the 14th. We on the 14th, so we gonna go from the 14th to the 15th. Just put that out there. We halfway through the month, so if you haven't already got a copy of my main traveling board, to where at least one number is guaranteed to hit every state. This is the main September board right there. So get you a good look at that, and then we about to get started. Bust into these numbers right quick. I'm going to try not to write down a bunch of numbers. I'm going to try to just give you a solid 5. But like I said, if your state has not hit this board yet, grab you something from off of there, A or B. This is for the month of September. By the numbers, September is 9. 9. September is 9. They said I was born on 9/07. If this number has not hit your state yet, make sure you plan 9/07 in every state. 9/07 is equivalent to 900. If I take the 7 and I flip the 7 forwards, flip number, add or subtract 3. If I add 3 to a 7 turns into a 10. On the right side, the second number, a 10. The second number from a 10 is 0, which is right here. 9/07 is the same as 900. So if you're wondering why this number has hit a few states, that's why. This number, they said this is my birthday, but this number also is equivalent to saying 9 for the 9th month. Okay? 14th and 15th. First off, I think today Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan gonna hit somewhere. What you mean by Michael Jordan? I'm gonna tell you what I mean by Michael Jordan. Today's 9/14. Okay? If you've been following me, you know how I break down the date at times. This is one of the ways that I break down the date. Take the 14, and you could do the 14 plus the 9. That's going to give you 13. 1 and 1 is 2. This is what I mean by I said today's Michael Jordan. Today's total date equals 23. If I keep going and I write out the year part of the date, I got 2-5, as in the year 2025, but 2 plus 5 gives me a 7. So if I take that 7 and I add it to the 23, it's giving me 30. Okay? That's doing the 14. If I do the 15 the same way, that's Kobe. So you got Jordan, you got Kobe. I do the same thing. If I keep adding on to the year, I'm taking the 24, I'm adding 7 to it. That's going to give me 31. What's highlighted in the orange is what I need to pay attention to, because those could potentially be my pairs. Okay? So let's get to the chicken. 9/14/25. I got 23, 30, 24, 31. Let's start with the 23. I got 23. I got 24. Starting off with 0. Starting off with 0. Up 1. Up 1. Flip. Mirror. Flip. That's as simple as terms. 23, 24. Now I touch on the 30 and the 31. I do the same. Okay? This is by the date. 230, 231, 4, 30, 1, 4. Same on the right side. 24. Like I said, you got Jordan, you got Kobe. Okay? These is two sides. Two sides right here. Bonus. And the reason I gotta write a bonus is because one of these sums, with two of these sums, I can make triples out of. And a lot of states haven't got any triples yet. So, or doubles. As this 23, this is my bonus section. This, you got A and B right here, y'all, as far as the straight date. I'll give you some bonus to play with. Got 23, so that's 2, 3, 3, 2, 2, 3. 30 I already have as a double as 3, 0, 0. I need 24, so that's 2, 4, 4, or 2, 2, 4. Got the 31 on there as a double. 24. I got three numbers that give me 24. That's Kobe. 888. 8, 8, 8 is 24. 24 flips to 21. A 4 flips to a 1. Take 3 from it. So 24 flips to 1. 24 is the same as 21. So the 8s is 1 down. Will give you the 7s. That's 21. 22 will give you the 2s. And this is good, the 14th through the 15th. So 15, 5, 5, 5 gives you 15. So this is your bonus. Like I said, this is by the date, y'all. That's not saying that these is going to hit every state. That's saying that these are going to hit most states. So what you do is you pick you one of these pretty ass sections that I just jotted down for you off the date. You got A, B, and you got C being the bonus. Ride it the 14th through the 15th. A, B, C being your bonus. This is for all states. This is not for a particular state. This is by the date. Okay? A, B, or C, 14th through the 15th. This is all I got for you right now. Pick your letter, ride your letter. We'll talk about it later, y'all.